Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on the best trade strategy to trade pounds JPY in 2025, and that this strategy is very simple. With this strategy, you can be making 1:10, 1:20, and so on. So I'm going to be walking you through right now step by step. So let's go into my charts right now. So this pounds JPY, and then I'm on daily time right here, and then you can see that price end up taking out in liquidity. Price end up taking out this particular liquidity right here, and then price end up going below its own low. Price end up going below its own low right here. So what you're going to be waiting for, just like you're waiting for price to react, because price end up taking out liquidity in the market. So you are going to be expecting price to react, and then you can use the opportunity to find what a bullish trade or fish. I'm going to be walking you through on how to go about it right now. So we have like 4 different things on how to identify a reorder block in the market, and then I end up giving like 2 for free on my YouTube page, and then this is the first one right here. You can see that price end up breaking too low. Then you're going to make use of the order block responsive for it. So this is the first way on how to identify a real order block in the market. And then the second in July, where price end up breaking only once single low, you can see right there. And then price not going to respect the order block that end up breaking one single low. Price going to respect the word above it. The logic behind the July, there are some traders, they always use every single supply and demand zone in the market. Once price end up breaking a low, they'll make use of the supplies, so they'll call it what, a break or social, and the price will end up taking them out, and they'll respect the order block above it or below it. So that is the reason why some traders always say price end up stopping me out and then later go to my direction, because they make use of what, the wrong order block. So every single supply and demand zone are also order block. It's just like different name given to them from different traders. So right now we are going to be making use of the 2 ways on how to identify a reorder block in the market that I end up giving out for free on my YouTube page. With these 2 ways, you're still going to be on profit, you understand? So let's just go into the video right now. So immediately price end up breaking this particular low, then you're going to start studying this particular range. So I've talked about you understanding of range, and then actually this training right here is actually for my premium student, but I just would like to mention a little bit about it, and then them also can understand and then study from this particular movement. So the first thing you're going to be doing right now is just like to study inside this particular range to find what an opposite candle in between. So I've taught on the power of the first time frame. So this is just like a power of the first time frame, of which I'm going to be walking you guys through step by step on how to go about right now. So you're going to start inside this particular range, just like to find what's an opposite candle. So this daily time frame, you have to move down to the next time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame right now, you can see you have like 2 different range. So you're going to like to reduce your range to this particular area right here. So our new range is going to be right here. Okay. I think I should use a play bar. Let me use the play bar so we can understand. Okay. Okay. So you're going to start inside this particular ring right here. You're going to start inside this particular range. So what are we looking for? We are looking for what? An opposite candle. The first opposite candle in the market, so we can draw the market with it. So I've ended up teaching you guys on how to identify a real order block in the market. If price end up breaking too high in the market, then we make use of the order block below it, just like as our real order block. But if price end up breaking only one single low, then we make use of the order block above it. So that is just it. It's very simple and very easy. So this 4-hour time frame, all the candles we are so right here is what is a bearish candle. Can you see? So let's move that to the next 2-hour time frame, which is 3-hour time frame. So I'm on 3-hour time frame right now. Okay. So 3-hour time frame also is the same thing. You are looking for what? An opposite candle. From this particular high to this particular low, we are looking for what? An opposite candle that you can draw the market with. So this 3-hour time frame, let's check 2 hours time frame. Okay. So on 2-hour time frame right now, the candles remain the same. So you are looking for what? An opposite candle right here. So the candle remain what? A bearish candle. So let's go down to the next 2-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame right now, you can see the candle also remain the same from this particular high to this particular low. You are just looking for what? An opposite candle in between. So you can enjoy the market from it, and then to know where exactly price is going to, and then to know the order block to use. So this strategy is very simple and very easy. It's making to enter into the trade on time, and they're risking very low and also making more profit, like increasing what your risk to a ratio. So from 1-hour time frame right now, you have to move down to like 45 minutes time frame. So on 45 minutes time frame, it's remained the same. So from this particular high to this particular low, it's all bearish candle. So let's check 30 minutes time frame. Okay. So on 30 minutes time frame also, it's remained the same. Can you see? We are starting from this particular high to this particular low. All the candle we are seeing is what? A bearish candle. We are looking for the first time frame showing what? The first opposite candle. The first opposite candle. So let's check 20 minutes time frame. Okay. So can you see we have what? Our first opposite candle right here. and then we can reduce what our range lower. So we can reduce our range lower just by this, and then observe this particular moment right here. So we are looking for what an opposite candle inside this particular place right here, so we can get into the market on time. It's very, very simple and then very, very easy. So what you have to do right now is you like to spot it inside this particular range. Then from 30 minutes time frame, you also like to check out 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So on 15 minutes time right now, can you see the candle remain the same? We only have one single bearish candle. So we are starting from this particular high to this particular low. Let me delete this line right here. Okay. So the candle remain the same. Let's check on 10 minutes time frame. Okay. 10 minutes time frame also remain the same. Let's check 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes time frame also remain the same. Let's check 4 minutes time frame. 4 minutes time frame also remain the same. Let's start from this particular high to this particular low. So let's check 3 minutes time frame. Just like to look for opposite candle. Can you see 3 minutes also remain the same? Let's check 2 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 2 minutes time frame right now, we are seeing our first opposite candle. So this is our first opposite candle right here. Can you see? This is our first opposite candle, and then price end up breaking this particular candle right here. Price end up breaking this particular opposite candle. This is the high. Price end up breaking this particular opposite candle. Then the order block responsible. Let me delete this. Can you see this is the order block responsible? Can you see? So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to respect the one below it, because this movement end up breaking only one single high. So price is going to respect the order block below it. So don't forget, on the 4 different way on how to identify a real order block. Right here you can see this particular moment end up breaking only one single high. So price not going to respect this particular order block right here. Price is going to respect the order block below it. So you also like to draw what our order block below it right here. Okay. So this order block, you're expecting price to respect. You're expecting price to take this particular low right here as what? A liquidity. So this particular low right here. Okay. You're expecting price to take this particular low as what? A liquidity, and then tap into this particular order block right here. Now see, the order block is very, very small, and then you can also go down to like a 1 minute time frame, just like to increase what your risk to ratio. We're already on 2 minutes time frame. I think we just stop at 2 minutes time frame. Okay, but let's check our 1 minute time frame. Let's check 1 minute time frame. Okay, so our 1 minute time frame right now is still remain the same. It still remain the same thing. Can you see? It still remain the same thing. What I just expecting your like price to take out this particular low right here as what? A liquidity, because it's end up breaking only one single high. So we're going to be expecting price to take this particular low as what? A liquidity, and then tap into this particular order block. So this is where our entry is going to be right here. So our take profit is going to be 100% movement. So this is very good to set what our entry. You can see that price already tap into this particular right here. I'm just using bad thesis so you guys can understand this very well. So this is what our reorder block, and then our stop loss is going to be all the way below it right here. And then our take profit is going to be 100% movement. 100% movement is right here. Can you see? Right here. So this is 1:11. It's very, very easy, and then within 1 hour or 2 hours, you can see the price is going to get to your take profit with this simple trade strategy. Then you leave the market and then observe the market the following day. So that's just it. It's very, very easy, and then very, very simple. You can see on how we are able to find out this particular order block on 2 minutes time frame. Our price end up breaking only one single high. Right here. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price going to respect the one below it. Then you are going to enter into the trade, and then set what your take profit 100% movement. This 100% movement right here, when price get to before coming all the way down. So that is where your 100% movement is. So let me just play out the market right now to see what happened. Okay. That's it. Our price continuing go out on a bullish direction very fast. Can you see? Price end up getting to what on a bullish direction, and then finally get to what our take profit. So this is the best strategy to use to trade pounds JPY in 2025. With this simple strategy right here, is very, very easy, and then you're going to be on profit every single time that you're using this particular trade strategy. It's just like you observing the market, and then you'll find the opportunity just like to enter, and then you start inside a range. But before you can study inside the range, you have to wait for price to take out a liquidity in the market. So once price end up taking out a liquidity in the market, then you can start studying the range, just like to know the first time frame that's showing what's at opposite candle. This is what a bullish trade in just like vice versa for what a bearish trade. So this is just like how to identify a real order block in the market. Choosing the power of the first time frame is very, very easy, and then very, very simple. So this is just this 1:11 right here. And then if you find this video interesting, like this video right now and then subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. So I'm going to be dropping more content about this for you guys so you guys can learn. And then if you want to join my mentorship program, you can join my mentorship program right now. Just like to learn all these things. I mentioned something earlier on. I said we have like 4 different ways on how to identify a real order block in the market. I end up giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page, and then the remaining 2 I'm not giving out on my YouTube page for some reason. The reason because if you don't understand the market structure very well, you're still going to be losing what trade. So you have to understand market structure very well before you can be using the 3rd way and also the 4th way on how to identify a real order block. So you can join my mentorship program right now, just like to learn it. It's very, very simple. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the description. So make sure you check the link in the description and then join my mentorship program right now, just like to learn all these things. Let me just show you something on 20-hour time frame. 20-hour time frame. Yeah, I think that is the first time frame. Okay, let me show you something. I mentioned something like this in my last video, in my previous video, of which you can see that price end up breaking this particular low right here. So this is the first break right here. Price end up breaking this particular low. And then after that, price came all the way down, end up breaking this particular low. So this is the first way on how to identify what's a real order block in the market. You can see that price end up breaking this particular low and also this particular low right here. Then you make use of the order block responsible. And then this is the order block responsible. Can you see how small the order block is? And then you can go down to lower time frame, just like to increase what your risk to reward ratio. Then if you enter into this particular trade right here, you're going to set what your take profit 100% movement. 100% movement. Let's assume you enter into this particular trade right here. And then you set what was stop loss right here. Okay. And then your take profit is going to be right here. The take profit is going to be right here. 100% movement. 100% movement. Don't forget that. So it's very, very simple. You just have to like understand my trade strategy. It's working perfectly. So with this simple strategy right here, you can be profitable trading pounds JPY in Chain25. It's very, very simple and then very, very easy. So if you're watching this video for the first time, like this video right now and then subscribe. So I really appreciate that. So see you guys in my next video.